What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know, and today on Nick's Kicks we have an unboxing, and this one we actually have in hand pretty quickly. It's going to be the Air Jordan 12 University Gold. I have it in this bag right here. But before we get into that initial unboxing, make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang. Keep those subscriptions up. We're getting up close to 200, so make sure you guys subscribe, like, tell your friends, share the video, do what you gotta do. Let's get into some unboxing, and well, before we get into it, my bot actually, we checked out 3 pairs. So one for my friend Anthony. He's a fellow reseller that we work together with. I checked out on the bot for him in the men's size, and we got 2 grade school as well. The grade school are doing decent, $50 profit a piece probably on them. And this one we already sold, but we got that burn rubber. So there's a box. It's pretty much your basic Jordan 12 box that you always see. Size 8.5. It was the last one they had. We're lucky that we even got a pair. We had a couple issues arguing over who gets what the line was, and crap like that, which is always stupid how people argue over that, just because when you're first in line, you're first in line. You can't be sitting in your cars. But I mean, props to Burn Rubber to figuring it out and letting me get in the shoe. So appreciate you guys over at Burn Rubber. Make sure to check them out. They're in downtown Royal Oak, which is super cool. Yeah, but this is a size 8.5 in the University Gold. I think I already showed you guys that, just in case you want to see it again. For info. There you go. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Now, looking at the shoe, it was definitely dope color in my opinion. Here we go. These are super clean. Size 8.5. Smell pretty good. I sold this pair early for $280 on GOAT, and I'm glad that we already did, because prices will dip down eventually once people actually get their online pairs in hand. So if you do have pairs early, sell now, because I don't see these really being a good investment, just because, I mean, lately Jordan Retros, like GR releases, like the Flints and the Toro 14s, those did pretty well, and they held their value, but they will, it's not going to be like a Jordan 1 where they rise in value very quickly. You will have to hold on to these for quite some time if you want to see a little bit of a rise. But to me, I just feel like just make the quick flip, move on to the next shoe. The Jordan 1 satin snake skins, those are pretty cool. Those will do, I think, pretty decent. And move on to the next shoe. So this is a size 8.5, already sold on GOAT for $280. So I'll make about $60 on this pair, which is not bad after fees and everything. So quick flip, rather would sell it in person, but we couldn't find a buyer as quick. And 8.5 is a little bit of a tougher size to sell, but luckily we have it shipped. We are gonna package it up after this video, ship it out, and yeah, it's a pretty cool date that we got our pair. There's only 3 leftover pairs, so luckily we hit. Shout again to Burn Rubber, and yeah, drop your comments down below. Did you guys hit a pair of these? What are your thoughts on this colorway? I think it's pretty dope. Would you guys wear it, sell it, or hold it? Oh, just give them more details. Got your leather, and you got your carbon fiber plate. Pretty dope. And yeah, good little shoe. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang, and I'll see you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Peace.